like when we have the opportunity to have Fun Friday.
Hi, my name is Mary, and these are my granddaughters, Andrea and Italy. And I would like to just say that I'm eternally grateful for the Edna Runner Educational Center for their summer camp, and it's really meant a lot to me because I cannot afford to have them placed somewhere else. I have to work, only breadwinner in the house, and I really, really love this center. The people that works with the kids are awesome, and my girls, they really have fun here.
Well, what I like is whenever we go on field trips or whenever we have our education, that helps us do anything we would like to do.